welcome once again. As promised, I'm here to disclose the prices of these scooters today. So technically, this is a very good offer for you guys. If you buy it online, this MI, which is the basic model, is available for about 799 dirhams. But if you come to our shop at International City, Persia Cluster, we will pass it on to you only at 599. Guys, this is a very hush price. The next scooter that you see here is actually at about 899, which is with the suspension. But at our shop, we pass it on to you only at about 699. That's right, you got it right. And then we come to the E10, which is actually a 2000 watt scooter. It's not 1000, it's not 800, it's not 1200 watts. This is like a powerful 2000 watt scooter, guys, which is available for about 1499 to 1699. But we will pass it on to you only at 1299. So please just click on the bio, like to us, subscribe to us, and visit our shop only at www.rafplay.com. Thank you.